If you want to evaluate ROI using logged hours, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you how to assess ROI efficiently using logged hours to determine whether your time investment is paying off. When you're looking to track the return on investment, especially in projects or tasks, logged hours give you a solid starting point. By breaking down the hours worked and aligning them with the outcomes, you can uncover the real value of your time spent. Let's dive right in. First, understand the importance of tracking logged hours. Without accurate data on how many hours were spent on a project, it's nearly impossible to know whether the time invested is leading to the results you expect. This is where logging hours effectively comes in. This is the first step in calculating ROI accurately. Now, once you've gathered your hours, you need to define the value of your output. Let's say you're working on a project that will generate revenue. Multiply the number of hours logged by your hourly rate or the expected revenue per hour. This gives you a baseline value of your time spent. If you're not sure what rate to use, figure out your average hourly wage or calculate your hourly rate based on the total project budget divided by the estimated hours. Next, compare that against the revenue or results you've achieved. If your logged hours indicate you're working a certain amount of time and your results aren't generating a proportional return, it's a sign that the project might not be as efficient as you thought. Let's say you spent 50 hours on a project, but the revenue generated doesn't match up to the value of those hours. This is where ROI analysis becomes crucial in identifying inefficiencies. The next step is to assess what actions led to positive results versus what may have been wasteful time. Not all logged hours contribute equally to the final result. This is key in ROI evaluation, distinguishing productive time from non-productive time. You'll want to focus on how much of your logged time actually contributed directly to the goal you set out to achieve. But how do you track these hours effectively? The software we'll be using today makes this process super simple. I've tried the most popular ones, but this one stands out. Not only does it track logged hours, but it also helps you visualize your ROI by connecting hours worked to output and results. I'm providing an exclusive free trial of this software for my viewers, which you can grab in the description below. So, when you evaluate ROI using logged hours, remember to track accurately, assign value to your time, compare against results, and identify the most effective use of your time. Make sure to use the right tools for tracking, as software like this can make the process seamless and provide clear data to drive decision-making. Key takeaway: to evaluate ROI using logged hours, you must first track your time, assign a monetary value to that time, then compare the results to your expectations. This process will help you quickly identify areas of improvement or waste in your time investment. Don't forget, using the software in the description can really help you get this process down to a science, and it's exclusive to my viewers, so make sure to grab the free trial. Quick recap: track your hours, assign a value, compare results, and make adjustments. That's how you can effectively evaluate ROI using logged hours.